But I have a good time. People always say to me, well, you have a good time, and you ought to have a good time. You travel all over the world. Like, travel is the definition of a good time. I'm going to tell you something. There is nothing fun. There is no joy. There's nothing fun about travel. Zero. Lived in Denver, Colorado for 30 years. We had the newest, most modern airport in the entire civilized world. They don't lose your luggage in Denver, Colorado. They destroy it right in front of you. Walk into the airport, got baggage hanging from every bone in your body. Doesn't matter what airport you're looking at. This is what you hear. The most expensive airport in the world, this is what you hear as you hunt for your gate. Boarding now.